one day you wake up in the morning, then you see that you have two wings in your back. Then what will you do?
If I wake up in the morning and I have wings,
Yes.
oh wow. Well, that would be amazing, first of all, because I would love to fly. I think
Oh,
that would,
okay. You love
well,
flying.
yes, I just think it's how awesome would that be? What would be the first thing that I would do? I would probably fly down to the beach, and I would love to have an aerial view of what's in the water, like
Oh.
the wildlife.
Hmm.
But straight after I go to the beach, I would probably try and fly back home to South Africa to give my family a hug.
Oh, wow, how
Yeah.
sweet.
And you?
Yeah, me. If I wake up one day and I see that I have two wings, then I definitely, first of all, without anything, without any, I just have left everything and I just want to fly. And yes, I want to see the aerial view of the nature, and also how it looks, how my city looks in
Mm,
from the
in the sky.
sky. Yes, and that is really interesting, and I really enjoy this thing. I want to wish that, suppose, yeah, it, please God gives me two wings to fly.
Yeah, that would be awesome. It would be so much fun, I think.
Yes,
And
yes,
you can just go everywhere with your wings. You never need a car or
yes.
a motorbike again.
And yeah, and so is is it be a good thing or bad thing for you, or like having wings?
Good or bad thing?
Yes.
Definitely a good thing. But I do think that they could become a bad thing if they are attached to you all the time.
Permanently, yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah, that could be difficult because finding clothes to wear, or just getting changed, or just doing normal things could become a little bit more difficult. But I'm pretty sure you would forget about that when you start flying, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah,
Mm.
if I have a superpower for shortening the wings and also for hiding the wings, then it would be awesome.
Mm. Yeah. Yes, to be able to hide them, that would be really nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even I can hide, if I could hide those wings in my, with my suit or with my coat, then that would be wonderful.
Yes, I agree. Wouldn't it just be wonderful if we could have superpowers?
Yes, yes.
That would be great.
And yeah, one superpower I have to talk about that. Suppose if you are invisible, then what will you do?
Hmm. If I was invisible, I always think this is a funny one because it could go in quite a few directions, right?
Yes.
I think if I was invisible, I would use it to travel around the world
Oh
without
yes,
paying.
exactly. Same thing I will do. Same thing.
Okay, yeah. I can just get, and I would probably fly first class too.
Oh
I
yeah,
wouldn't
exactly,
I wouldn't
exactly.
be flying in economy.
Yes. And suppose if you are allowed to commit a crime, then what will you do?
Hmm.
It may be small, it may
Stealing.
be big.
Stealing. Because then
Oh yeah.
I could be like Robin Hood. I could steal money from people who I know are bad and give it to people who I know need it and are good people.
Oh wow. So kind of you.
And you, what would you do?
If I would be invisible, if I were invisible, then I will do I want to, first of all, I want to travel all over the world like
Mm-hmm.
you without ticket, and this is the a crime, I think so, a small crime, that without ticket traveling. And
Yeah.
also I want to go to sweet shops, and I want to still eat, I want to steal sweets for eating.
Okay, so we both want to steal.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Because I when I was younger, I used to eat sweets, uh, and also I used to eat chocolates.
Mm, from the
But
sweet
but
shops.
my parents, uh, what I say, rebuked for that. So how many chocolates did you eat? How many chocolates did you eat? So that's why I want to fulfill my childhood dream.
Okay. Oh, that's lovely.
Okay, ma'am. It was really lovely to meet you. Hope
It
see today
was,
different and interesting questions for you.
yes, thank you so much. It was really, really nice to meet you, and I hope you have a super wonderful day and stay
Yeah.
safe.
You too. You too. Stay safe. Take care.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.